Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 5. Lesson number 10, information communication. Today we will do its exercise. It is page number 91. Question number 1 is name 5 ways you can get information, and its answer is first one is newspaper, second is television, third internet, 4 magazines, and 5 posters. These are the ways of getting information. Question number 2 is what is mass media, and its answer is mass media means technology that is intended to reach a large audience. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3, what is a news report, and this answer is you can write its answer on page number 90. A news report is a short account of the news, or you can write another answer. The other answer of this question is a news report is a written or spoken description of an event, happening, or incident. This is also the answer of question number 3. Question number 4, what is an advertisement? And its answer is the answer of question number 4 is an advertisement is an audio or visual form of communication used to promote or sell a product or a service. This is the answer of question number 4. Question number 5. Why is social media not the ideal source to get information? And its answer is because it is not reliable and sometimes it is used for negative reasons. This is the answer of question number 5. Question number 6. What are the advantages of print media? And its answer is advantages of print media are a person can read a newspaper or magazine when desired. It is the cheapest source of information. Students can improve their language and knowledge. This is the answer of question number 6. Question number 7. Give 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages of a type of electronic media. Answer of question number 7 is advantages of electronic media are number 1 is huge amount of content is available on internet. Number 2 is it spreads information very quickly. And disadvantages of electronic media are too much use of internet can cause to neglect other people. And number 2 is looking at screen may cause harm to eyesight. This is the answer of question number 7. Question number 8 is find out at least 4 public service messages you have seen in print on electronic media, and its answer is first one is respect your elders, second is keep your country clean, third is save wild animals, and fourth one is do not damage natural beauty. This is the answer of question number 8. Next is a work page. It is page number 92. Circle the correct answer. First one is information conveyed on social media is always accurate, never correct, not always reliable, and its correct answer is not always reliable. Next is which of the following is not a form of print media? Magazines, leaflets, radio, and its correct answer is radio. Next, number 3. The cheapest form of information is provided by newspapers, journals, magazines, and its correct answer is newspapers. Number 4. Which of the following are you not likely to find in a newspaper? Number 1. Crossword puzzles. Number 2. A jungly. Number 3. A report. And its correct answer is a jingle. Number 5. Children can improve their writing skills and language by reading a newspaper, text, texting messages, watching television, and its correct answer is reading a newspaper. Today we have completed this chapter with its exercise. In our next video, we will discuss its next chapter. Allah Hafiz.